Hi, I'm Tracy Morrow, and this is a DecoArt Craft Minute. Are you looking for a fast and easy finish for a background, for a floral, or maybe for a DIY piece? Well, I have a great one for you. This is called a frottage. All you need is a paintbrush, a little bit of crumpled up craft paper, two contrasting colors in the same color family, and a little bit of DecoArt's faux glaze. And it's this simple. You're going to mix the faux glaze, 3 parts glaze to 1 part paint. Give it a good shake. Once your surface is base coated, you're going to take a small quantity of that glaze and brush it out evenly over the whole surface. Doesn't have to be particularly neat. Just get the whole surface covered. A nice even coat. Once you have it in place, you're going to take your crumpled craft paper and lay it onto your surface, and then with the palm of your hand, rub gently. The craft paper will absorb a little bit of the excess glaze and leave behind this great textured finish. This is a simple frottage, and I'm Tracy Morrow for a DecoArt Craft Minute.